Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Creation. So friends, how are you all? I hope all will be well. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet top designs. You can also buy to the market about such designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel Creation. First, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful designs shown to you people in it. If you like today's video, please like the video and share it with your friends and family members. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in a next video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Stay with me. We'll remember in prayer and bye.